Welcome to our free pronunciation tutorial video series. Definition, meaning and sentence usage can be found in this video. Watch and learn. How do you pronounce this word? Aardvark. 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 Okay, what is aardvark? The aardvark is a medium-sized, burrowing, nocturnal mammal with a long snout that eat ants and termites. It is native to Africa. The word aardvark is a noun. How to use aardvark in a sentence? You could say, Anna turned like a frightened aardvark, still holding the violin in her hand. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more videos.